Hello and welcome to webmastercampus.com. In this tutorial, we are going to learn JavaScript getElementById versus getElementsByTagName. We will see their differences and how they individually work and when we can use them. Okay, let's get started. I'm inside a folder. Let me create an index.html file. Here we go. And in this, I'm going to use HTML5. I am going to add in h1 tag and this. So we should be good now. Let's execute this in our live server. We can see the message JavaScript getElementsByTagName versus getElementById. Okay, let's add some tag. Let's add a p tag and I am calling this para1, and in this one I am writing some content. This is the first paragraph, okay, or first paragraph content, something like this. Then we are going to add a div and let's call this div id result. Okay, so you can see when I add this, live server reloaded and it is showing that. Now add a script tag, and in this script our requirement is we want to what's inside of this paragraph. Let's copy this inside of result using JavaScript. How we can do this? Let's watch this, how we can do this by using getElementById. So first I'm going to add document.getElementById, and the ID name of paragraph is para1, and in this one I'm going to add insert HTML, inner HTML. So this will give me the content of ID. Okay, and now I'm going to add document.getElementById, and this time I am using result, and inside of result inner HTML I am going to assign what we have inside of the para1. Okay, so if you see closely, what I am looking over here is just adding the what's inside the paragraph into the result. So when I hit save, you can see this is first paragraph is just added using JavaScript inside of this div, because we are saying whatever inside the paragraph inner HTML, just copy this inside of result ID HTML or inner HTML. Okay, so this is how it works. But let's suppose let's see how we can do this using the tags element. Okay, so document.getElementsByTagName. Okay, and in this one I am going to add, we are looking for div tag. So this actually returns all the div element inside of your HTML, and now we know this is the first div which ID is result, so we can get this by using 0. Okay, so you can add this 0, and in this 0.inner HTML we are going to add what we have inside this paragraph. Okay, so if I'm going to save this, you can see the output is not appearing because double equals right down. Let's hit save and now it's working. So in this, what we are doing, we are saying this part will return all the div elements. We are just picking the first one by using the 0, and inside of their inner HTML I am assigning the content of para1. This is how you can do this. Let's suppose we have multiple divs. Okay, and there is no ID or ID is possible. Let's take, we have 3 divs. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Now our requirement has just changed. I am now looking to assign this paragraph content to all of these divs. How can I do this? First I need to capture this one, like get all the div, and I can say var all div inside. Okay, so this will return me an array of all available divs, and in this I am going to write down a for loop for I equals to 0, semicolon I less than all divs dot length and semicolon I plus plus question mark brackets, and I am going to paste this line of code again into this. Okay, here we go inside of this, and in the 0 instead of 0 I am replacing it with I. So this will paste like when the loop will run, it will capture the first element, it's on 0. This will return 3. Okay, so length will be 3, so I less than 3, so it will repeat 3 times and assign this content to all of their divs as per the for loop. Okay, so you can see all the divs are inserted with paragraph content. I hope this time it makes sense to you and you can easily distinguish why we can use, if we are looking for unique specific ID, we will use getElementById. If we are looking to find all elements by just providing the element name or tag name, we can use getElementsByTagName. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.